Hello, this is a video to show some features to the Canyon game app in Android. So one of the features I was trying to do was increase the size of the blocker by 5% each time the cannon's ball hits the blocker. So for that this is a variable instance, a private instance of the class. So we call it increase size. I add a parameter here in the constructor, and also I set this to this. So I'm not sure if I should have done the code here in the constructor or in the Canyon view. Here is also the provide a method, a get accessor method to return the increase size. So in the Canyon view, in the method of the Canyon view class, so I'm here in the method test for collision, and I insert this method here to get the increase size. But I haven't implemented the code of this method, so run of time, and also I'm not sure where to implement it, here or in the constructor of the class blocker. Also, the second feature that I was trying to do was play the sound when the blocker hits the top of the bottom of the screen. So here in the raw resource, I load up the wall hit, and so here in the Canyon view also I add the constant for the sound, and the sound mount object with the method with the class sounds pool is loading this resource, which is in the raw resource here as well. So I run off time to insert the code for this. So it should be here in the blocker. So, and another feature that I was trying to do was display the dash line showing the cannonball's path, but I run out of time. I'm not sure if I had to do an object, a class, dash line, and then create an object, because I mean it's like a game element and it has to be displayed. So I'm not sure if this superclass can, I mean, if I create a dash line of class, and it's gonna be a subclass of game element, because it has to be because I understood that this app is made like frame by frame, and so has to be located, update, and then displayed. So I'm not sure if I just do this method, which is like path effect, and add it to the cannonball class. So that's why I wasn't sure about that. This code doesn't go here, but I'm learning. So I want to focus more in the next assignment because I have more points. Also, another thing that I was trying to do was change the colors. That's kind of here, the colors of the target and of the target. So I could have done it here as well. Just change the where it is. Where are the colors? Here. So I'll just change this. That wasn't too. So I can put here kiwi. And here is pumpkin. Okay. So I get here so we can see the colors of the targets. Well, step by step. So far I'm still interested, so I will keep practicing. Thank you.